The idea of the programme was to try and drive efficiencies through design and make sure that we can, through BIM, basically drive those efficiencies and make sure that we can utilise the products, utilise the BIM objects, and make sure that we're not designing a bespoke project, a bespoke type of construction for individual projects. We wanted to rationalise the type of construction to make this programme as efficient as possible. Previously we've done elements of BIM level 2, but this, when we had the EIRs from Manchester City Council, this was quite a challenge for us because it involved doing the asset information model, which we previously in this region haven't done. In other regions we have, and so we had to quickly upskill ourselves well. The advantage of all the consultants using Revit and not having to have different software involved in the scheme has meant that we've been able to have this consistent specification structure, and they've all bought into the MBS Create plugin, which has made life a lot easier. It's allowed us to get that consistent specification structure into the project, which has been really beneficial for us tendering the scheme and making sure that we've got the right level of information in the packages. The toolkit was really useful for me because I was able to analyse the models and use it as a reference tool. So rather than relying on the consultants to tell me what the correct level of detail and level of information is, I can refer back to the toolkit and check that, and I can go back to them and say this needs updating. So it's been very beneficial for us as guidance and helping us through the process.